Hey, what's up YouTube? This is your boy, Big Ass Sean. Just back for another unboxing video. Oh, sorry, this is lunch. Basically, I've been sucking on lemons whenever I get hungy. So what happened was I took all my grocery money and transferred it into Bitcoin and then transferred that into a Scandinavian coin called FAP. It's called FAP coin, which stands for free and prevalent. Basically, it's a Scandinavian cryptocurrency that you can transfer all your money into, and then you make double your money in the amount of coin. And it's blockchain. I don't really understand it, but I got a really sweet deal on the DJi MAVIC Air. So, you know, with my FAP coin, I was able to rub this guy out for about 6,000 FAP coin, which is 3,000 American US dollars. So when you think about the exchange rate, you guys, and the blockchain technology, that's a really sweet deal. So as you can see, guys, the labeling is really good. It's right to the point, you know. I'm not gonna think that this is, say, a human hand or something, because it's very clearly marked. This is a drone, or drone. I'm guessing that's a Scandinavian word. Either way, I'm super psyched to get skater footage, kiteboarding, looking at the top of ball guys' heads. I do a prank channel, so it's gonna be really good and really funny. Anyway, enough of my blabber jib jab jaw. Let's crack into this bad puppy and see what she's made of. Huh. That's weird. No instructions. Oh well. I mean, it's pretty straightforward, guys. You know, this is the flight mechanism, and this is the DSLR gimbal. Basically, you toss this bad boy into a thick gust, and make sure that this is on, guys, because I've lost so much footage of guys' heads because I forgot to push the dong button. So make sure that dong button is pressed, guys. Let's roll tape. Let's show some test footage. Works great, guys. Oh yeah, that's gonna look good. So as you can see, guys, it works super perfect. Great drone. I'm definitely gonna write to the Scandinavian company behind FAPcoin and definitely thank them for their hookup with my prank channel. I mean, this is really gonna be great stuff, guys. If you're on the top of their head and be like, ha ha ha, you're bald, idiot. It's gonna be such a good prank show, guys. Anyway, like, comment, and that's weird. Looks like there's some writing on here, guys. I know what you did, Steve Jobs. Oh, this is bad. Apparently Lord Steven has been alerted to my betrayal of purchasing a non-Apple product. So I gotta burn this. I gotta go, guys. Video's over. Oh, Steve, get out of here!